Okay, so I got the car raised by ½ inch and it looks pretty much the same, slightly higher, but it fixed all of the scraping issues and the rubbing issues. So scraping is when the car touches the ground or a speed bump or whatever, and rubbing is when the wheels touch the body of the car. The catalytic converter was also installed, and the fabricator tucked the exhaust pipe up, the mid pipe up, probably about ½ inch as well. So the exhaust gained at least about an inch of clearance, which eliminated all the scraping. So that is fantastic. Down in the garage, I'm going to check some idle adjustment settings to make sure that the car knows that there's a cat, and to raise the idle based on the coolant temperature, just to warm the cats up a little bit. But I'll pop the hood and try to get a shot of the new work as well as the suspension stuff that was done. All right, this is the new downpipe. As you can see, they added a bellows or flex joint. There's a lot more clearance right there where the heat shielding is. I might remove that now since it doesn't really need to be there. But yeah, you can see that there's a new V-band clamp. The downpipe is a V-band on the upper joint. There's a heat sink on the O2 bung. The wastegate, let's see if I can get the light here. The wastegate has a bellows, and there's a pie cut section, and it's plumbed back in, and you can kind of see the cat right there. It's that. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, that's the cat, that cylindrical thing past the downpipe. So pretty happy with this, how this turned out. The only question now is if I'm going to get or put the DEI exhaust wrap on the downpipe or the headers. Not really sure. Pretty happy with the turbo blanket though. This is a good fit.